Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint these aesthetically appealing loose watercolor flowers on a small sketchbook. You can use these blender clips to hold the shape if you're painting on a small sketchbook. I'm using Schmincke and Daniel Smith's watercolor paints for this painting. I use this color the most for these red flowers. Now let's get started. Step 1. Paint several dots around the page. This will become our flowers. Just slightly dampen your brush and add some paint. Don't add too much water to your brush. Step 2. Blend the paint out on each dot, one by one, using a water brush with no paint, painting a loose roundish flower shape, which will be our first layer. Step 3. When the first layer is half dry, we can add a second layer. Add bright yellow paint to the base of the flowers. Add thicker red paint to the base of the flowers, and use another damp brush without paint to extend the color upwards. While waiting for the layers to get drier, we can use a watery brush to give the background a wash. Then add thick yellow paint here and there. The dampness will cause the paint to spread out around the background. And for an ideal artistic outcome, there is no need to create an even gradient using your brush. Step 5. Now we can add the last layer to these flowers. This time we add black at the base of the flowers and use another brush with a little red color to stand along the petal. Step 6. We can now add some red to the background, but don't use the previous brush that might have traces of black paint. Step 7. Add the stems and small leaves, and then splash some color dots for the decoration with a very thin brush. Just do whatever color you'd like to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Also feel free to check out my previous videos. They are the most popular ones I collected here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!